If you've been looking for fresh endgame content in Rohan 2 Global, this is it. A whole new region called Liam and a completely new playable race, the Dark Elf. In this video, I'll break down exactly what Liam offers, what you can actually farm there, and whether the new Dark Elf race is worth creating or switching to. Simple and straightforward. So let's start with the new zone. Liam is the new high-level field zone. You reach it through the portal at the 6 o'clock direction in Arminis. It's aimed at player level 111 and above, with monsters ranging from level 111 up to 120. You can already pick up some regional request quests from level 107. This zone was added as the new place to grind for better gear and materials. So what drops in Liam? Every monster has a chance to drop these items. Level 110 Ancient Accessories, Party Chaos Rift Scroll, Ancient Option Stone, Dazzling Crystal, Legendary Refinement Manual Fragment, Unique Enhancement Stone, and Unique Combination Stone. Some monsters also have a low chance to drop actual level 120 equipment. The type of gear depends on the monster. For example, certain monsters drop helmets, others drop tops, bottoms, gloves, or footwear. Elite versions often drop weapons. Liam monsters were also added to the Monster Codex, so completing the collection gives you extra effects. If you're pushing for level 120 gear or need unique enhancement stones and ancient accessories, this is currently one of the best places to farm. The level 120 pieces are rare, but the other materials drop steadily. Two new bosses were added alongside the region: Field Boss Devoter High Priest and Territory Boss Dieter. These are mainly guild content. The top contributing guild gets rewards sent to guild storage, including tokens, ancient vigor accessories, brilliant unique enhancement stone, and skill books. Even regular participants get mail rewards with rare vigor accessories and other upgrade materials. There are also new solo, party, and guild chaos rift versions of these bosses with their own rewards. They give another reason to run group content and another source of strong accessories. The Dark Elf is a brand new race. They come from Ignis, the southern land filled with fire energy. They've stayed hidden while perfecting their magic and are now ready to join the fight. Dark Elves focus on intelligence and wisdom. They are magic users with an elegant but destructive style. When you create one, you can choose between two class paths, the Warlock or Wizard. Warlock. This class specializes in debuffs and crowd control. They weaken enemies and restrict movement, making them strong in PvP and longer fights. If you like controlling the fight and shutting down opponents, Warlock is the way to go. Next is the Wizard. This class focuses on raw magic damage with powerful area of effect spell. They clear groups of monsters quickly, which makes them excellent for farming and leveling. They also perform well in large-scale PvE. If you want fast clears and efficient grinding, Wizard is the stronger choice for that playstyle. Both classes scale with intelligence and wisdom, so your gear choices stay similar. The main difference is how you want to play: control and PvP with Warlock, or AoE damage and farming with Wizard. How does Liam and Dark Elf work together? A Dark Elf Wizard pairs really well with Liam right now. The zone has high level monsters that spawn in groups, so strong AoE clear speed helps you farm efficiently for level 120 gear and materials. Warlock can still do fine, especially if you're also doing the new bosses or PvP content. The new race basically gives magic players a fresh, strong option that fits nicely with the new farming spot. Liam gives you a new consistent place to grind for upgrades and level 120 equipments. The Dark Elf adds a real variety, especially if you enjoy magic classes. Wizard looks particularly good for farming the new zone, while Warlock brings strong tools for PvP and control. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and let me know in the comments, are you already farming in Liom or planning to make a Dark Elf? Which class are you leaning toward? See you in the next one.